Good morning to all my lovely children. Children, today is Thursday and it's turn to learn English. Children, in today's class, I will teach you reading and recognition of capital and small alphabet A to Z. Then we will revise phonetic sounds. Children, today I will introduce you small print form letters and I will teach you how to write them. Today you will learn to write small a and small b. Then children, we will practice our rhyme, my body. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's revise capital and small alphabet A to Z along with the phonetic sounds. Children, look here, this is capital A, small a. A says a, as an apple. Capital B, small b. B says b, ball. Capital C, small c. C says curve. Capital D, small d. D says dove. Capital E, small e. E says F. Capital F, small f. F says f. Capital G, small g. G says g. Capital H, small h. H says her. Capital I, small I. I says E. Capital J, small j. J says j. Capital K, small k. K says k. Capital L, small l. L says L. Capital M, small m. M says Capital N, small n. N says Capital O, small o. O says o. Capital P, small p. P says p. Capital Q, small q. Q says qu. Capital R, small r. R says r. Capital S, small s. S says s. Capital T, small t. T says t. Capital U, small u. U says a. Capital V, small v. V says v. Capital W, small w. W says v. Capital X, small x. X says x. Capital Y, small y. Y says y. Capital Z, small z. Z says z. Children, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak and Z for zebra. Children, I hope now you all are able to recognize capital and small alphabet A to Z, and now you are able to learn the sounds also. Children, revise it like the way I taught you and make your videos on it. Children, you have learned to write capital A to Z. Children, today I will teach you to write small print form letters A and B. So children, look at the board carefully. This is today's date. Today is 22nd October 2020. Children, now look at the board carefully and see how I am writing. Children, we will start from the blue line. We have to write between these two lines small a. So put your pencil here on the first blue line and make a small C like this. Touch the second blue line and again then go up. Touch the dot from where you have started and then come back again and turn it a little bit like this. In this way you have to write small a. Children, in these first three blocks you have to write small a, and then in the next two blocks you have to write small b. So look here again. First make a small C between two blue lines. Go up and then come down again and turn it a little bit. Like this you have to write small a. Now how you will write B? Now I will show you. From the red line you have to make a standing line. Again go up. Now see children. Now you have to make a ulta C between two blue lines like this. Again I will show you. From the red line make a standing line. Again go up on the same line. And from the first blue line you have to make a ulta C like this between two blue lines. In this way children you have to write small b. Now I will show you how to write in the notebook. Children, now I will teach you to write small print form letters A and B in the notebook. Children, look at the page carefully. In the first 3 lines you have to write small a, and in the next 2 lines you have to write small b. Children, in the first 5 lines you have to write A and B today. First we will write today's date. Today is 22nd October 2020. Write date like this children. And then now I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, you have to start writing small letters from these 2 blue lines. Okay, see, I have put dot here on the first blue line. Put your pencil here and make a small C between 2 blue lines. And then go up and come back on the same line. And then make a small loop ऐसे, या आप इसकी टेल निकाल दो. ऑलराइट, देखो आप मैंने कैसे लिखा. पेंसिल को डॉट पे रखेंगे जो कि फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन पे है. पहले हमने सी बनाया ऐसे और फिर हम ऊपर जाएंगे. हमें हाथ नहीं हटाना है. फिर वापस उसी लाइन पे नीचे आएंगे और फिर हम इसकी ऐसे छोटी सी टेल ऐसे इसको थोड़ा सा कर्व करके मोड़ देंगे. ऐसे ऐसे आपको ए बनाना है, स्मॉल ए. Like this children, make a small C, go up, again come down on the same line and turn it like this. Like this children. In this way you have to write small a. Again I will show you. Put your pencil on the dot which is on the first blue line, make a C, go up, touch the dot from where you have started. And then come back on the line and then turn it. Make a small tail like this. Okay. In this way you have to make small a. Like this. And you have to make it in a one go. एक बार में ही बनाना है. बार बार हाथ नहीं हटाना है. एक बार लिखना शुरू किया तो ए को कंप्लीट करके ही आपको ऐसे हाथ हटाना है. Like this children you have to write. Put your pencil on the dot. Make C, go up, come down and make a small tail like this. Like this you have to write A. Now see, A is complete. Okay, I have done the first 3 lines. Now we come on B. For B children you have to start from the रेड लाइन, जो ऊपर वाली रेड लाइन है वहां से आपको स्टार्ट करना है. मेक अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन. अगेन गो अप टिल द फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन एंड मेक उल्टा सी एंड टच द स्टैंडिंग लाइन लाइक दिस. अगेन फ्रॉम द टॉप रेड लाइन you will start, make a standing line till the second blue line. Again go up and from the first blue line you will turn and make a ulta C and then you will touch the touch the standing line like this. Children, look here how I am writing. From the top red line make a standing line, go up. From the first blue line you have to make ulta C and touch it with the standing line like this. This also you have to write in one go. एक बार में ही लिखना है, बार बार हाथ नहीं हटाना है. एक बार में लिख के ही आपको, जब आप बी पूरा लिख लोगे, कंप्लीट कर लोगे, तभी आपको हाथ हटाना है. Like this children. In this way you have to write small a and small b. Children, write it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, today's practice work is of Hindi. आपने हिंदी में क लिखा था, उसी सेम पेज में आज आपको जो बाकी की 6 लाइंस रह गई हैं उसमें आपको फिर से क की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। तो हम ये लिखने से पहले आज की डेट डालेंगे। टुडे इज 22 अक्टूबर 2020। इस तरह से डेट लिखेंगे और फिर हम क लिखना शुरू करेंगे। तो बच्चों ये जो ब्लू लाइन है यहाँ से हमने एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई और बीच में हमने एक सी बनाया और उसकी ऐसे पीछे आगे से टेल निकाल दी ऐसे, और एक बार में ही हमको ये लिखना है ऐसे, और हमको इसको ब्लू लाइन पे टच कराना है, इसको आधे में नहीं छोड़ना है, ऐसे। इस तरह से आपको क लिखना है। क से क्या क्या होता है? क से कबूतर, क से कलम, क से कमल, क से कछुआ, क से कटोरी। इस तरह से ये पूरा पेज आपको, ये जो बाकी की हमने जो 6 लाइन छोड़ी थी हमको आज वो पूरी करनी है प्रैक्टिस वर्क में। तो इस तरह से हमको क लिखना है। हमने स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, बीच में ऐसे सी बनाया और फिर इसको इस तरफ ले जाके हमने इसकी टेल निकाल दी ऐसे। इस तरह से क लिखेंगे। अब देखो हम लास्ट लाइन पे आ गए हैं। और ये रहा लास्ट क इस पेज का। इस तरह से आपको क लिखना है 6 लाइंस में और उसकी पिक्चर लेनी है और मुझे भेजनी है। Children, now let's recite our rhyme My Body, which is about our body parts. In this rhyme, there are 2 children and they are explaining us about their body parts. So let us recite it. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes, 2 little arms and 1 little mouth, 1 little nose and 2 little ears, 2 little eyes for smile and for tears, 1 little head and 2 little feet, 1 little chin, and that's me. Children, learn this rhyme with actions and make your videos on it and send them to me.